Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to extend the zooming range for video recording in Canon DSLR or mirrorless camera. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Canon mirrorless camera. So firstly turn on your Canon camera, and now under this mode dials just select this movie recording or the video recording option as you can see right now, and now just click on this choose mode. So here you can select either the auto or manual, still the tricks will remain the same, so I'm gonna select the manual. So now you can see the preview on the display. So I don't have any zooming option here right now, so just press this menu option and now just select this camera icon, and now just select the number 8 option. Now you can see here digital zoom, so by default this option will be turned off, so just tap on this option. Now here we'll see one option retain 3 to 10, just select it. Now you can see it will zoom to 3 to 10x zoom. Now click on set OK. Now the digital zoom is being enabled. Now just press the menu button again. Now you can see digital zoom option is showing up, so now you can see it has zoomed up than the earlier one, so you can clearly see. Now if you want to zoom more, just press this W/T. Now you will get the up and down arrow, so in order to zoom just press this up arrow button, so you can see here clearly. Now if I press this down arrow button again, it will zoom out. So now while you are recording a video, you can use this option to extend your zooming range. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily extend the zooming range for video recording in Canon DSLR or mirrorless camera very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.